How to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Start by opening the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app. Here, you can view all your chats with friends. Now, go to the top and tap on the New Group icon. Then, tap on Create New Group. Give your group a new name. And then, select the friends you want to add to your group from here. After that, tap on Create at the top right corner. You have now successfully created a group chat with your friends. You can repeat the steps to create more groups on Messenger. Following these steps, you can easily create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.